Today, we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts for your LinkedIn profile photograph. So, your LinkedIn profile photograph should have a photo view that's less than 2 years. So, you do look like your photograph. So, when people meet you at an event or see you online on Zoom, you look like it. So, don't use a photograph from your college days or photographs that are 10 or 20 or even 5 years old if your looks have changed, your hairstyle has changed, etc. Some of the don'ts are: do not use graphics, logos in your photograph, don't use landscapes, don't use words or phrases, and ideally don't have photograph where you have someone else in it as well. LinkedIn is a professional social media platform. The photograph can represent who you are, so it doesn't have to be overtly professional unless that's the way you dress for the job you do. But at the same time, you want to look approachable. You want to make sure the photograph covers 60% of the frame, and you want to have it like I do in my photograph. Your shoulders and above. Your face should be clear. You should be looking at the camera. Unless sunglasses is part of your look, you shouldn't wear sunglasses. Your eyes should be visible, because people who see a photograph are more likely to trust you. If they can see your eyes, they can see who you are, they're more likely to want to do business with you or hire you. And one more thing you shouldn't do is use photographs of pets in your profile photograph. So keep that in mind when taking a photograph. You don't need a professional photographer. Smartphones can take great photographs. Just make sure that there's enough light on your face. You're looking at the camera. You can smile. You don't have to smile, but whatever you want to represent to the world, because a profile photograph is one of the first things people see when they come to your profile, but also when you comment or you send someone a message, you join a LinkedIn group or LinkedIn event page, the photograph is something they notice. It follows you everywhere on LinkedIn. And so you want to look like someone people want to connect with. I usually do not connect with people who don't have photographs on their profile page, because I'm like, why are they connecting with me if their photograph isn't even visible, right? What kind of um, relationship will we have? Will they, if they don't have the courage to show themselves on LinkedIn, then how likely are we to take whatever this partnership, collaboration, networking opportunity to the next level? So with that, I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing your profile photograph. You can share a link to your LinkedIn profile in the comments of this video. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with another LinkedIn tip.